Hey guys, this is Yusuf with That Tech Though, and this is a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 9 and the Nubia Magic 3. Now this is the gaming phone. It's a very big phone, has 8GB of RAM, and it has a 90Hz display. Now the Xiaomi Mi 9 I have here has a 6GB RAM. Now some people in the comment section have told me that the Xiaomi Mi 9 shouldn't be running any game boosters, so I've turned that off and basically left them at both default, and we'll see how they both get on. So without further delay, let's begin the test. So let's go with the Verge first. So 3, 2, 1 and go. Pretty much the same here. I couldn't really pick that one out. Now you guys let me know in the comments which one was faster. BBC News. I feel this was exactly the same again. YouTube. Now the first one won't count because it'll have different content on the page. So I'll go to my channel. But so far, if you want to say which one opened up first, you can say it's Nubia 3, but it's this one we are all after. So 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, so the win here is for the Nubia 3. Camera. I think the Magic 3 got this one. Instagram. I think the Mi 9 got this one. Pokemon Go. Definitely the Mi 9 having a clear advantage on this. Followed by the Magic 3. You can definitely see the 90Hz display working well. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on the video, but I can see the difference here. Very smooth. So we'll leave that running in the background. Temple Run 2. Mi 9 ahead. Both of them exactly the same, so this one just catched up. We'll play. Let them run in the background. Mario Run. 3, 2, 1. Mario Run on the Xiaomi Mi 9 first. Yep, clear. We'll start a course. Pretty much the same here. Angry Birds. Mi 9 having a slight advantage, but the Magic 3 loaded it first. Very interesting here. Subway Surfers. Magic 3. Definitely a clear victory for that one. We'll leave them both running in the background. Adobe Draw. We'll open one of my projects. Keep that running in the background. Microsoft Word. Open a new document. 3, 2, 1. With the Magic 3. And so we are now on the second round. We'll start off with Adobe Draw, obviously. Exactly the same. I mean, this is more about the memory management rather than the speed. As long as it's in memory, I'm fine. Subway Surfers. Both of them in memory. Angry Birds. Both of them in memory. Mario Run. Again, both are in memory. Temple Run 2. Again, both of them are in memory. Xiaomi Mi 9 doing very well here. Pokemon Go. This is where most phones struggle, even with 6GB of RAM on the Xiaomi Mi 9. Let's see what it does here. So 3, 2, 1 and go. Very surprised. The Xiaomi Mi 9 has kept it in memory. Very good. Okay. Instagram. Both in memory. both showing different content. So if I refresh the page, okay, camera, definitely for the Magic 3 here. So this is where we get to see the Magic 3 just pull ahead, but camera is really a minor. YouTube. Okay, so we got a reload, a clear reload on the Xiaomi Mi 9. The Magic 3 still had it in memory. So BBC News, I think the Magic 3 took that one as well. Bearing in mind this is 8 gigabytes of RAM versus 6 gigabytes. Finally, Chrome. Now I don't want to hit the Verge because that's a preloaded shortcut I've already set up with Chrome. So if I press that, it will open it again and reload it. So we'll see if they're both in memory by hitting this version of it. So 3, 2, 1 and go. So you can see here Chrome had to reload the Verge page, and on the Magic 3 Chrome didn't have to do that. So that's pretty much the speed test for both of these. We'll run Geekbench 4 and see which one does better in performance. I mean, naturally you'd expect the 8 gigabyte beast here will do it because it's a gaming phone, but we'll run it anyways. So let's run the CPU benchmark. So 3, 2, 1 and go. So we have the Magic 3 pretty much finished first, followed by the Xiaomi Mi 9 by a couple of seconds. Interestingly enough, the Xiaomi Mi 9 scored a higher multi-core score, and the Magic 3 scored a higher single-core score by not that much though. So there you have it. That's the speed test between these two. If you guys want to see more of these videos, subscribe, give it a like, pull that bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.